Wala pang tagay. Pag may tagay na yan, ewan ko lang sa inyo. Basta ako mag-ano ko muna dito. Mag-reels. Hi! Mga fishy. How are you? See? See? Oh, very nice. We're having our lunch here. Yes, this is Bahay Kubo restaurant located at Bata, a little in but that's
Sabi mo sa akin, mga doon.